We're using a simple store-bought brownie mix to make a decadent fudgy brownie with a raspberry cheesecake filling. It's easy and simple. Hi everybody, we're the WISCO Wheeler YouTube channel. We love riding our mopeds and all things Wisconsin. Join us and we hope to make your day with us in Wisconsin the best day in Wisconsin. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next adventure. It's July, and that means the start of raspberry season in Wisconsin. Today we're sharing a recipe that begins with a store-bought brownie mix and adding a raspberry cheesecake filling. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 9-inch square pan with parchment paper so that the brownies are easy to remove. I put a bit of cooking spray down first to get my parchment paper to stay in place. Beat one 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's been brought to room temperature with a half cup of sugar. Mix that until smooth. I will post the full recipe towards the end of this video. Beat in 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix this all until it is really well combined. Gently fold in 1 cup of fresh raspberries. Mix them just enough so that they are evenly distributed, and be careful not to break them up as little as you can. Set that bowl aside while you make your brownie batter. Prepare a store-bought brownie mix. I used a Pillsbury family size. It was 18.4 ounces. And make that according to the directions on the package. My directions had me add oil, water, and eggs. When you have the batter combined as the directions recommend, the next thing that you're going to do is put half of the brownie batter into the pan. Top with the cream cheese batter and gently spread so that it covers the entire brownie batter. Put the other half of the brownie batter over the cheesecake layer. You'll go ahead and bake that for 55 to 60 minutes. I tested mine with a toothpick to make sure that the center was done. Cool it for 2 hours or more. I let mine cool overnight and put it in the refrigerator and then finished it in the morning. You can eat them plain without any topping, but I like to do a chocolate frosting when I want something that is extra fudgy. I'll include the recipe for the chocolate frosting at the end of this video. After I frosted them, I did put them back into the refrigerator so that the frosting would firm up and they were really easy to cut. Another option is that you can go ahead and dust them with powdered sugar. I had some extra raspberries and I used those as a garnish. I store them in the refrigerator just like you would a cheesecake. Enjoy!